Hey everybody, this here is Heath Ward, and this is my YouTube channel known as Frontier Survival. It's been a little while since I made a video, and I would just like to announce here in just a little bit. My last video took place in my shed, and I said that we're going to go full-fledged, and you had to thrive to survive, and that's true. But what I'm trying to say is that my videos have been short. I haven't really talked about anything or showed any projects I've done, and kind of disappointed in myself, and I need to start doing that. But what I'm trying to say is, the summer is ending here in Kentucky. That's where I live, here in the eastern Woodlands. And, with fall approaching, it'll be cooler. I can get out in the woods more and show some projects, and do some different things. And, there's a lot of bushcraft and survival channels out there. And, that's what I'm all about. I want to do videos on bushcraft, survival, urban, and wilderness. I want to do some prepping videos because, I'm not a doomsday prepper, but I do like to be prepared. And everybody should. And, self-reliance. Rely on oneself. It doesn't hurt to rely on people as well if you got good friends, but always be self-reliant. I mean, that's what it's all about. And right now this video is not very long again, but as you see, I got the wilderness around me here, and it looks great, and I'm glad to be here. Glad to be able to bring you this good-looking wilderness. But I guess that'll be it for now. Stay tuned for some great videos, some longer videos, and some good content that should teach you something. And again, my name is Heath Ward, and this is Frontier Survival.